Do you want to have thick and shiny hair, or you just want to stop your hair from falling? Then fenugreek seeds is what you need. But now you need to know how to use it the right way. The way I'm going to show you in this video, you measure 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds and add water. You soak this fenugreek seeds overnight. Then the next day bring to a boil. After it cools down, then you go ahead to blend it. You blend this the seeds that you've boiled. And fenugreek is very good. It works miracles when it comes to boosting your hair growth, and it stops the hair fall because it nourishes the hair, it strengthens it. So your hair, when you use fenugreek regularly, becomes very resistant to breakage, and it also gets thicker and thicker. The strands are thick, so it becomes difficult for your hair to fall off. So after blending these fenugreek seeds, I go an extra mile to sieve them. If you know me, then you know that I don't want particles into my hair. So even if it is smooth as well, there will still be some particles. So I go an extra mile to remove these particles by sieving them on a tight sieve like this one. It's not easy to take out this fenugreek, but with patience, as you see, it's coming out gradually. You need to patiently take out those particles from it. And now the best way to use this fenugreek mask is to add it to your deep conditioner. If you add it always in your deep conditioner when you want to do your wash day, that's the best time, and I guarantee you your hair will grow thick and shiny.